Hey guys! I want to show you today how an underwater mermaid photoshoot looks like. That's my do-it-yourself mermaid tail. It's not finished yet, but I really want to try it. And I would say, let's get into the water. I'm here today with Stefan Ernst, the photographer, who you can see in the background. He's preparing a self-photo shoot. On this day it was 10:30 p.m. The water was getting kind of cold and we just wanted to shoot not more than 10 minutes. Normally a booked photo shoot is around 1 hour or 1.5, but yeah. We had one client shoot right before where I did the makeup. And now I really want to shoot my tail. For the beginning we wanted to do normally pictures in front of the white background to see the tail good, and the photographer is always talking with you before and on the shooting, so you know what to do and you don't have to be afraid. At the beginning I had really trouble getting down with my tail because it kept me like floating, but I kept trying and then it worked. For the second part we wanted to start with swimming. We didn't have that much time, so that's why everything is so short. In the breaks you're looking through the pictures with your photographer so you can see yourself. You can see some pictures like maybe this one, this, or maybe this one. Or from the beginning, whatever you like. At the end we filmed a video how I swim with the tail, and here you can see the video I filmed with the GoPro, and in a few seconds the video with the good camera from the photographer. I had really much fun at the photo shoot and I hope that you had fun watching this video. If you liked the video then please give a thumb up and maybe subscribe. I hope so. Bye!